So now we are shooting on my Sony 11mm F1.8. This is the first time I've actually had a chance to actually use this since I did the unboxing of this lens. Now this is one of 3 new lenses that Sony has made for the aps-c censored camera. This is the 11mm F1.8. You have the 10 to 20mm 10 to 20mm, as well as the 15mm. Now this is an ultra-wide lens. So basically what that means is that, as you notice, the background, you get much more of background when you are shooting your videos. This is about equivalent to what I use at home, which is my Sigma 16mm f1.4, which is considered one of the best vlogging lenses for the aps-c censored cameras, but it is a rather large lens, whereas the 11mm is a much more small and compact lens. When it comes to price, they're about almost the same, with the 11mm being about $100 more with it being on sale. So the Sigma 16 is around $350-ish, around there, I think is what I paid, whereas this is around the $500 range on sale. Now this lens does not offer OSS, just like the Sigma 16mm or the, I think, 10 to 20mm does not offer that. So keep that in mind if you're using this for an A series lineup, such as the A64, 65, or anything below that. Then you will not get the benefit of the 5-axis gimbal for your lenses or for your video. So if you have, say, the A6600 or the FX30, which is Sony's new cinema lineup, those offer inline body stabilizations for the camera but not for the lens. So keep that in mind if you're thinking about buying the Sigma or the Sony 11mm f1.8. This does not offer any type of stabilization, but I'm using a handheld tripod, so if you kind of can do slow motions when it comes to doing your videos, you should be fine. But typically you can kind of fix it in post edit if you know how to do that, but this does not offer that. So, and I have to apologize if you see a little bit of the whiteout. I am still learning how to kind of get a lot of that exposure set with this. I did not get an ND filter for this, but it does take the 55mm ND filters for the lens. So if you want to get an ND filter for this, that's the size that you would get. Now it does offer you automatic focus as well as manual focus via button on the side, as well as a focus hold button on it. And color-wise, like I said, haven't had a chance to actually try it. But in terms of it being an ultra-wide lens, now I don't have this really far away from me. I'd say if I were to measure between where that front of the lens is to where I'm at, probably good 3 or 4 inches. Otherwise, this is at full extension, and as you can see, you get a lot of good background in this. So this is probably going to be my new vlogging lens when I go on vacation, and my Sigma 16 will be more of my desk headset style of vlogging. So if you're looking for a really good lens that's inexpensive but also gives you that great kind of wide field of view when doing vlogs, I would definitely recommend getting the 11mm f1.8. It's a perfect lens, and like I said, during the holidays right now, it is on sale for around $500 some odd dollars, and I'll drop a link down to some of the sites that I've seen for this. Otherwise, it's still the least expensive out of the 3 lenses that Sony has made for the aps-c censored cameras, and that's it. So I'll drop a link down below as well for my unboxing of this lens if you want to take a look at that. And I want to thank everybody for watching. My name is Black Appeal, the Apple Guy, and I will see you guys in the next video. Feel free to browse my channel.